Alright, it is Thursday, June 8. It is a holiday here in Bavaria. It's something about the body of Christ. So you see all the little altar boys and girls. There was a brass band playing a minute ago, now they have a procession. I mean, the brass band was really impressive. We are on our way into town to go strawberry picking. And we keep driving past these beautiful wildflowers by the side of the road. I think these are cornflowers. I know the red ones are poppies, daisies. Yeah, this just grows like this everywhere. It's just by a random roadside.
Mom, can you get my grabber?
Well, the first strawberry field we stopped at was closed, but this one is open. So we are in luck. We're gonna go pick strawberries now. So they put straw down under the strawberries, and it explains the name, strawberries.
Yes.
To keep the berries from touching dirt when it rains, because it rains here at least once a week. Look at these beautiful berries. Oh my goodness, these taste so good. Now we're gonna work our way back to the field though, where it's not picked over yet. Are you rubbing your tummy? Are they so good? Show me your basket. You're doing a good job.
Mom, we share this
nice
basket,
job.
Mom.
Yeah, it's our basket. You're doing a good job. Let me see your strawberry mouth. Of course, Miriam is very fittingly wearing her strawberry skirt. Whoa, Chloe, let me see. Beautiful. Good job, honey.
I got a big one.
Peter.
Yeah, but I dropped it. We're harvesting the strawberries. Oh, I keep finding ones that it's so delicious.
Well, Ollie here is really liking the strawberries. He's eating them faster than I can pick them, and my basket is not getting filled. They are so good, Ollie, aren't they?
Not for long, big mommy bear. Mom, you can have all long, big mommy cow. Mom, look, he's picking our strawberries.
Yep, he's picking his own. Let me get the green off. Let me get the green off, baby.
I want some strawberries. I want strawberries. Mom, you can have all.
We are done here. We picked one more box that the kids already took off with. All together with this.
18 Euro zusammen.
We are here at a lake near Munich. We're gonna see if we can do a boat tour. It's a holiday here, so it might all be booked out. But I want you to admire this parallel parking job I did here on the bus parking. Yep, it was hairy, but I had help from Miriam. And I parallel parked this big bus.
Somebody push me, somebody. Now Peter, get up. I'm gonna experiment something. Now let me go down for something. Now.
We're here at the dock. Our ship is coming in and we're getting ready to board. There's a duck nesting right here.
I think it's
There's a
laying
duck
an egg.
nesting right here by the water.
I think it's sitting on.
Petey! All these sailboats out here. The breeze is incredible. In the distance, that's a famous enemy. Oh, there's a bit of a crab today.
Really cool.
They have a little telescope here for the kids
Closer and farther.
and a ship's wheel.
Now look, you want to look at
You can see the snow-covered Alps in the back here. We're about an hour north. Another funny thing about Germany is that random strangers will feed the kids. A nice gentleman on this boat ride just bought Ollie this popsicle because all Ollie had for playing with was an empty marshmallow bag, and he said that was S-H-I-T, so he said he bought him an ice cream. So the vacation rental where we're staying is really, really close to the village where I grew up. And we actually just drove down the street. I used to live at the end of that street on the left. And this is the elementary school I went to from when we moved to Germany while I was in 2nd grade during Christmas break until I graduated elementary school at the end of 4th grade. And it still looks to be the exact same size. Directly across is the gym. And then just a few classrooms. It only has 4 grades. And the soccer field back here. Basketball field and the running track. And yeah, it's funny being back here. What, 35 years later. Our vacation rental is just in this little street here. And we're going to finish out the day by playing on the playground outside. Well, I just wanted to show you back here. The video is not really doing justice, but you can see the snow-covered Alps in there. And that's maybe an hour and a half drive from there. You can't always see them in the weather conditions, but you can just see it.